Now we are going to take a look on this plane to plane mates. If you have a cylindrical edges, if we have the rectangular edges means we can simply select a face by face. But you have a cylindrical body or a different spline body means we can pick a plane only. That's why I choose a two opposite planes, selecting of it and mate it using a coincident constraint itself. It is only applicable for a cylindrical objects. Same as like selecting the top plane as well as another plane, fix it using coincident constraints itself. Next, at the rear end of this edge, selecting this face as well as this rear face, it is a flat face. That's why it is picked with two opposite faces and fixed using coincident constraints. Same as like on the rest of this object one by one. Just by picking off it, we can easily to define them. Now just by selecting of its plane and placed it using coincident constraints. If it is a cylindrical edges, we can easily to define it. If it is a rectangular edges means we can just by selecting of a face only we can able to fix it. Okay, thank you.